Hello friends, today, in this video, I will show you how to delete your Google account in 2024. To delete a Google account, you first need to go to Phone Settings. After entering the settings, search by typing Google in the search bar. After searching, open Google app. Click on Manage your account. Now tap on the search icon on the top right corner. Search by typing Delete your account in the search bar. Now confirm your account with your password or passkey. After account confirmation, you will be redirected to Account Deletion section. Now scroll down to accept the user agreement and tap on Delete Account. Account deleted successfully. So that's today's video. If you find this video even helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified of all future videos.